Hi, I'm Tom Gale, CEO of Modern Distribution Management, and I'd like to invite you to the MDM Digital Distributor Summit, and I'd like to introduce you to one of our keynoters, Mark Dancer. So tell us a little bit about what you're going to be talking about.
I'm the lead researcher on the next edition of Facing the Force of Change, which has been published for more than 30 years, every 3 years for distribution. The report is designed to look at the forces that are affecting distribution that are maybe just off their radar screen, and then what distributors should do about them to modernize their business and to compete. So I have 3 months of work behind me and a year ahead. I'm going to share preliminary findings, things we've learned so far in our research for the next edition. I think there will be actionable insights. Distributors can act on that today. I'm also going to share our template for the research we're going to do for the next year. This is very, very important because what I'd like to do is get distributor feedback and contributions. My role as a fellow for the NAW Institute for Distribution Excellence is to go out and find answers to the questions that are most important for distributors.
So I've known you for close to 20 years, and you've long time, your focus as a consultant has really been in channel strategy for both manufacturers and distributors. You're now much more focused on digital transformation. Connect the dots for me, and what does that look like?
Well, as a channel strategist, I view digital tools as new ways to accomplish all of the challenges that have ever existed for any business that has channels. Distributors are a channel for manufacturers, and they have their own channels, omni-channels, inside sales, field sales, digital channels. So for me, digital tools and all digital technologies are about possibilities, right? It's about how we can apply them to solving some of the age-old problems that have faced distribution, and maybe, if we're very creative and diligent, opening the door to new opportunities for distribution.
So what are a couple of the key takeaways that you expect the people to leave the digital summit?
Well, the first is that acting on digital tools or using digital tools to achieve solutions to your old problems or to find new opportunities is about two major things. One is it's a mindset shift for distribution leaders. It's about going on offense. It's about thinking less about protecting your business, although digital tools can help with that, and more about how you can use your digital tools to do things differently in the future and find your path to growth and new profits. The second is that if we think about digital technologies as an enabler for innovation, there isn't a process for distributors to follow. If you're a supplier, if you're a manufacturer, there are mountains of information on product innovation. And you can use those best practices and those processes whether you manufacture screws and bolts or jet engines. That doesn't exist for distributors. Channel innovation is really an undefined area of expertise and discipline and best practices. So I think if we can connect the dots between the mindset of a distributor leader in the digital age and provide a process for how to go about innovating the business as a channel, we can help distributors move forward.
Fantastic. Look forward to having you there. So please join us. We are going to have tracks in both foundational aspects of digital transformation as well as more advanced topics. So I look forward to welcoming you there, and get more information at mdm-digital.com. Thank you.